Just look at my plants. And the other one is here. It's on the cup. And this one. And here is the other. So, kaka-transplant ko lang yan. Yung isang malaki, ililipat ko pa yon ang lalagyan. So, doon. Kasi hindi, para ano, kaso wala pa akong yung pangtatayuan niya na stick. So, I'm just waiting. So, ayan po yung ating plants. Just sharing. Oh, eto pa pala yung iba. Kailangan ko siyang ilipat na rin kasi sobrang haba na. And then, here's the other one. At yung aking orchids, yun, namatay pero may tumutubo na siya ulit. Kasi nung umuwi akong Pinas, napabayaan nila.